Hi, I'm Ashley Edwards, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite features in PowerPoint. Today I'm going to turn my PowerPoint into a video, so I'll show you how to save that at the end. But first we're going to start with a couple of features. So I want this slide to be blank, so I'm going to be in the Home tab and change the layout to a blank slide. Right-click, Format Background, I'm going to change mine to green. And then I really like to insert some 3D models. Because this one's my favorite, I have put it right there in the Access toolbar. So if you right click on any of these, or most any of these, you can add it to quick access, which I've done here. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. And then I'm going to type insert. Then right here, you can move that however you'd like it, resize it, and this is your rotation handle if you want to do anything with that. And I'm going to insert a text box over top of that text box. Click the area you want to put that, and I'm going to make sure that my text shows up white. Right, I'm going to use my rotation handle and kind of tilt that maybe about there. And I'm going to change that font. You can see there at the bottom right screen, that'll tell you which keys I'm hitting on the keyboard. Change that to bold. Center. All right, so we've got that. And now I want to create some fun little animations. So here on the Animations tab, I want to make that chalkboard jump and turn. And I like that, but I want the text to show afterwards. I want it to appear. And then let's see, you can hit preview. Instead of just appearing like that, I'm going to add another animation. And I really like the wave. So let's see how that looks. And I want that to be a little smoother, so I'm going to change that to with previous. And preview it again. All right, so I like it. And to save it, we're going to go File, Save As, and instead of a PowerPoint, I want this to be a video. Save it right here, and boom.